Name: Aurum Slime. Gleaming with a radiant golden hue, the Aurum Slime is a mesmerizing and mystical creature. Its gelatinous body shimmers like liquid gold, flowing and shifting with a captivating fluidity. Surrounded by ethereal, glowing particles and mystical light, it exudes an aura of enchantment. Despite its beautiful appearance, this slime is both deadly and elusive, capable of engulfing and dissolving anything it touches. Legends say it is born from the essence of alchemical gold, and those who capture it can harness its incredible powers. Its presence in the world is a rare and wondrous sight, often leaving behind only the glittering residue of its last meal.